Hello everybody. Over here playing around over here in Porterville. We got the skid steer back together and got the ice all thawed out here. Here's another one. So the ones that I got the tag on there I've already tested and they're not going to hold a charge. There should be a few more of them around here. We're getting ready to get them on a pallet and get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Got the electronics and that thing there. No, that's not a ballast. Sealed unit. Look at that. Copper. Yeah, this skid steer makes it a lot easier. Still a lot of work. Got to keep them up and work on the things, and it seems like it's always something. I got it all. Let's see, what side did I do? Passenger side? I guess it ain't a passenger side. It's, yeah, I got this all back together. It's all sealed and cleaned up. I'm going to power wash this next spring. I see I got a leak right there, but hopefully it's just a line there, hard line. But it might be a seal. These are pretty easy to fix and pretty cheap. Got the other one right there. Cleaned around it so we didn't drop anything in it. Flushed it all out with fuel oil, and I ended up taking the torch across the bottom of it and warming it all the way across there. That seemed to be the easiest way. I messed around a little bit yesterday. So I'm trying to get this stuff out of the way, but I got too much junk around here, so wherever I put it, it seems like it's always in the way of something. Get a bunch of these together and see what I can get out of them. Check around on the prices. They're not like it used to be. So I got this over here to throw pretty much electronics and that type of stuff in there. Oh, that little thing's copper. That probably come out of a, I don't know, looks like a heater cord with it. Looks like it's copper. So we got a spot for that. I'm going to move this out of the front yard. I'm trying to get it organized so I can put some of it over there and we'll process it over, and two over there, probably a lot of it. Big old copper radiator there. I'm going to dig that out. It's kind of an extra one for one of them cab over trucks. Put a couple air conditioners. I think there's 3 air conditioners. 4 air conditioners, I think, and 1 dehumidifier. Probably most people know dehumidifiers ain't got as much stuff in them as air conditioners. They got the sealed units and this stuff from the other day. I'm gonna get this out of here before it freezes. Got a couple more days before we start getting really nasty freezing stuff. I've got to move that, or it'll be a big old chunk of ice. Something I'd probably be running over. Find any gold, Debbie? Got a guy supposed to want this cab. I don't know if he's going to show up or not. I hope he does, because I can pull it off there. I told him I'd pull it off with deposit. So yeah, we're opening our way up over here a little bit, cleaning a spot to get through and trying to make sure we ain't got no nails or whatever's in there. Pretty much mostly electrical motors and anything like that. We got our tin. We'll throw that in a baler as soon as I get this truck out of here. We'll probably put that in a dump truck and just go dump it. What is it, Debbie? Yeah, that can go in there. A lot of times they want to buy them with sometimes they want to buy that stuff with plastic is tin. Just trying to open the driveway up. Well, just got to be careful coming in and out of here because Debbie picks up so much junk. We'll put all the ballast and transformers, electric motors. Yeah, place that sells propane. It looks like they got a sale on a 20-pound tank for $8.
Ballast goes in there.
Yeah, we'll throw the ballast. Maybe put them all in one area if you can, Debbie.
Yeah.
This will mostly go in as tin. We'll throw that thing in as tin. A little transformer, maybe we'll knock that off. A little transformer type fan. Like the fuse box we can put in there. I was actually started out just to move a couple batteries. We can put this in there. That's got electrical. It's got copper and what have you, fuse panel. Yeah, I'm hoping. Well, I want to put my bucket in here. I need to really put some gravel in the driveway, but I don't know if I'll get to it this year. It'll be frozen. I can just deal with it. This is all crushed asphalt in here. That's why it's so dark all through this whole area. And actually, my driveway was all. I had to bring a tandem semi or whatever they call them one time. We get this in the containers. We can always just get our driveway open and get in and out of here and kind of pick away at it. I tell you, I've actually, maybe not these ones, but I've used these breakers before. Well, thanks for stopping by Poorville.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving. Goodbye now. Go find some junk. Or a project. Or not. Goodbye.